Nailagay na lahat ng 101 rows. Next natin is yung
Rush Cars. Green.
leaves. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Madge Naroom, and for today's vlog, guys, as you can see, meron naman po tayong hawak-hawak ng mga roses. So it means that meron tayong bagong arrangement ngayon na gagawin. It is 100 roses composed of color pink, color white, yellow, red, and orange. However, guys, you want to order flowers, arrangement, gift, or everything for your loved ones. So we can deliver actually, guys, even outside Dubai. So here's the details. Please, guys, just hit up, call nyo lang kami, and then, or send us WhatsApp.
Mga 2 pitchel. Ah, hindi. 3 pitchel.
Guys, ito yung isa sa natutunan ko dito sa flower shop. Kung paano magmukhang mas malaki ang ating mga roses. So, ibuka lang natin yung mga petals nila, like this. Ayan. Yung first layer, as you can see, ibababa lang natin o ibubuka lang natin siya. And then, yung second layer, or siguro kahit yung third layer na petals, iti-twist naman natin. Okay, ganito yung pag-twist. Yan. Like that. Para mas lalo talaga siyang like bukang-buka at malaki siyang tignan. Yun. That's the right term. Mas malaki siyang tignan. Kasi nga, naka-open yung mga petals. Like that. Nakikita nyo na yung difference. Diba? Parang, ang laki-laki na niya at ang ganda niya. Diba? Love it.
Yan. Open lang natin yung mga petals and then twist natin yung second layer or kahit mga third layer. Twist like this. Kita nyo ba? Kunin yung isang petals. Twist. Another petals. Twist. Then next petal. Twist. Until mag-open na siya ng malaki. Careful lang kasi maselan yung petals. Kasi baka mag-crack. Mapunit yung petals natin. Ayan, like that. Diba? Narinig niyo yung crack?
Tuloy natin yung pag-open ng mga flowers. Ito naman is yellow, color yellow. Habang si tita, doon sa likod, ito, minimekos-mekos na niya na. Binabalance-balance na niya yung pag-arrange na tong mga flowers natin. Siya talaga yung florist dito. Matagal na siya dito sa Dubai. Matagal na rin siya sa shop. I guess nag-start siya 2010 yata. Mga na-open ko na petals red at saka dito ako nag-struggle kasi sobra talagang fragile ng petals niya. Ayan, so kung gagawin niyo to guys, extra careful lang talaga lalo kung first time kasi yun nga, magbe-break talaga yung petals. Pero pag natapos naman at naging success, ang ganda-ganda naman ng kakalabasan. Like this. Yan. Ito din. Ito naman, smooth lang din siyang i-open. Ito, same. Pero ito yung pinaka the best i-twist talaga. Ang ganda niya, itong orange. Dito sa ginagawa nating flower arrangement, guys, kung mapapansin niyo, hindi naman lahat ng mga roses is naka-open yung mga petals. Meron lang din naiwan na kagaya niyan, as is lang yung mga roses natin. Ang purpose kung bakit talaga natin binubuka yung mga rose is para mas mukhang madami, malaki yung ating flower arrangement. Siyempre, ang pinaka-main reason talaga dyan kung bakit natin na binubuka yung ating rose para mas lalo siyang mukhang maganda. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda naman talaga niyan tingnan at mas lalo natin na-appreciate yung beauty ng mga roses kapag nakaganyan. Malaki din kasi guys yung matutulong na may mga malalaking roses dito kasi mabilis natin mafe-feel yung mga spaces dito sa ating ginagawang flower arrangement. So, maganda rin ang combination na may balance siya. Merong hindi naka-open, may naka-open. And then later, maglalagay naman tayo ng additional na dahon since yun yung gusto ni client. Gusto niya kasi ng more on like green siya. Bali, ang gusto niya is combination ng mga iba't ibang colors ng roses plus color green. Gandang-ganda ako sa variety ng rose na to. Yung pink na may white siya. Parang napaka enticing niya tingnan. For me, this is one of my favorite rose. And then this one guys, yung orange naman, nakakatuwa siyang i-open. Nakakatuwang i-open yung mga petals niya kasi parang sumusunod lang talaga yung petals at saka dahil parang medyo makapal siya, ang bilis niya i-twist. And then hindi agad nagbe-break yung petals. Parang matibay masyado. At ang ganda, 'di ba, kapag na-open siya. Tapos itong red, medyo struggle ako dyan kasi medyo marami ang aking na-break. Kaya be careful kapag tayo ay nag-o-open ng petals or pag pinapalaki natin yung mga roses natin. Careful lang talaga sa pagtitwist.
Tita, isang hi naman.
Hi! Hello! It's a pretty.
Yeah.
Actually, this order from Russian people. They love this flower.
Yes. It's 100 roses.
101 roses.
101 roses.
I love this arrangement. I love like this arrangement.
Sana always.
I hope so. But you know, some customer they love to order the way how you do the arrangement. They say that it's beautiful.
They will order
Then they will order again. And especially the way how you talk to the customer. Convince them. Talk politely. Be humble.
And be happy.
And always be happy.
Nailagay na yung total ng 101 roses.
Next natin is yung
Rushkas. Green.
leaves. Rushkas.
Yeah. The green rose. Actually, this one is cost 2 dirham.
Oh, medyo may price din pala yan.
Yeah, this is expensive than the rose.
Oh.
But will stay, if you keep in the water, it will stay even 1 month.
Ay, nice.
Yes. And the customer sometimes they say, "It is free. Where is the free? I will go and buy." Let me know. You know, the customer here is sometimes very difficult to spelling. But it's okay. They are customer.
Very difficult to manage.
Difficult to manage, but even though you need customer, that's why sometimes you need to smile. So, ganyan mga ka-works, mga ka-loads. Tusok-tusok lang. Tapos, barang-barang konti, kung saan may proportion natin ang arrangement. So, kailangan umatras ka para makita mo yung view. Don't focus to the nearest one. You need to go backward and look. Focus which one is. Have space you need to put. Now, we will not put gypsum. We will put only greens.
Ah.
As per the customer request.
Okay. So, wala siyang accessories, guys. Yung gypsum na sabi ni tita, yun po yung kilala natin na baby's breath.
So, ngayon, ang request ni client ay green. So, dito lang tayo mag-focus sa green. Green in the flower.
Almost done na dito, guys, sa part na to. Ang ganda-ganda niya, diba?
Final touch na lang. Make sure lang na walang mga spaces, awang. Kaya, lalo na sa front.
Front side is important, but anyway, the space. Dito.
So again, dito mapapansin nyo, baka kasi mag-ask kayo, bakit walang other accessories like baby's breath or gypsum? Kasi nga, ang request ni client is rose and then green leaves. Kaya walang baby's breath or any accessories na sinama.
Hindi rin tinanggalan ng dahon yung mga rose.
Yes. Kung mapapansin nyo, especially dito sa may bandang likod, ayan, makikita natin yung mga
natural leaves.
yes.
Roses.
Ito pa siya. Intact pa silang lahat, kahit yung thorns. So pretty! Nakakawala ng pagod. Nakakawala ng sakit ng ulo.
Wala na siyang sakit ng ulo.
Ang gandang. So pretty. Nakakatuwa makakita ng ganito.
Ngayon lang yan, sasawa ka rin.
Parang hindi.
Ako hindi ako nagsasawa because this is my life. And because of the flowers, I have everything.
Yes. So, ito na guys. Finish na ang ating flower arrangement. Mixed colors ng roses para sa ating client. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, meron tayong mga balloons here sa backdrop. Kasi, gumagawa rin kami ng mga arrangements for baby boy, baby girls, or gender reveals, proposal, birthdays, anything na kailangan nyo ng balloons. Kontakin nyo lang ang details na to. Ayan. Nandyan. Or pwede rin kayo guys mag-send ng mga pictures if ever meron kayong preferred designs. And we will try our best para magawa ang mga requests ninyo. Again, Beautiful Location Flower Shop here in Dubai. Malapit lang po kami sa
Al-Qiada Metro Station.
Al-Qiada Metro Station. So that's pretty much it guys for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Ang pretty niya! And I'm so excited to do other vlogs like this. If you have any suggestions or any recommendations kung ano yung next vlog natin, please don't forget to write there in the comments below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!